Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the John's Kitchen. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. We drop new videos every week that you might just find interesting. Today, we are making an easy, no-bake cheesecake. It's super delicious, and once you try this cheesecake, you won't be able to stop yourself. First step, crush your biscuits up, either in a blender or with something heavy. Then put them in a bowl, add your butter and mix well. Quick tip, if you're using fresh vanilla like us, don't throw away the pods once removing the seeds. Add them instead to the melted butter to have an extra vanilla-y flavor. Once it's all mixed together well, place the biscuits into a tin lined with baking paper. Smooth it down with a spatula. If you have an offset spatula, then it will make your life a lot easier to make it nice and even. Take a bowl and add your cream, then use one of these fancy mixers to whip the cream until it thickens up. At this point, add the rest of the ingredients and mix together well. Now remove your biscuits base from the fridge and evenly spread your cheesecake mix on top. Use the offset spatula to make it nice and even, then place it in the fridge until set. Remove the tin from the fridge and use a knife to loosen up your cheesecake from the edges. We're using a blowtorch, but it's not necessary. Now, have fun with your cheesecake toppings. You can use whatever seasonal fruit or nuts that is available. We are just keeping it simple with some fresh mixed berries and some lime zest to give it that beautiful citrusy kick. We hope you attempt this easy recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you back here soon for the next one. Ciao ciao!